One dusty afternoon, a man opened an old wooden cupboard in his family home. What he found inside turned his entire life upside down. It was not gold, it was not cash, it was a piece of paper. But this was not just any paper, it was a forgotten share certificate, nearly 40 years old. He had no idea what it meant, no memory of ever buying it, so out of curiosity, he called a live financial news channel during a Q&A session. When he read out the name of the company, the anchor paused. He asked him to repeat it, and then the anchor's eyes widened. "Sir, are you sitting down?" That one share, bought decades ago by his grandfather for just a few hundred rupees, was now worth crores. The man was stunned. He had unknowingly become a millionaire. So what happened here? Just one word: compounding. You see, the power of compounding doesn't show up in the first year or the second, but over time it silently multiplies. This is the magic of long-term investing. A small seed left undisturbed had grown into a money tree. While most people look for quick profits, true wealth is built slowly, quietly, and patiently. That one forgotten investment had appreciated over 10,000 times. Not because of trading, not because of timing the market, but simply because it was left to grow. So ask yourself, are you planting any financial seeds today that your future self will thank you for? Or are you too busy looking for shortcuts? Because the truth is, wealth doesn't come from timing the market. It comes from time in the market. Tell me in the comments, what's one investment habit you wish you had started 10 years ago? Subscribe to Money and You for more real stories and timeless financial wisdom.